Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to fix the status access violation error in Microsoft Edge. So it's a very simple process and let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your start menu button and you're going to go into your settings here, or you can type in settings, or you can just right click on your start button and click on settings. In settings, you can see on your left panel here, you're going to go into apps. And you're going to click on the first option, installed apps. Here you're going to search for Microsoft Edge, and then you're going to click the three dots and click on modify. Click on yes, and you have this pop up. Okay, here you're going to click on repair and let it do its thing. Make sure you have an active internet connection for this, guys. Okay guys, so once that is done, you can see that Microsoft Edge will pop up and you can see it's updated to the newest version. And basically, yeah, this process just uninstalls Microsoft Edge, re-downloads it and reinstalls it, so you get a new fresh install of Microsoft Edge. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope it helped you, and do show your support by liking, subscribing and sharing. And that's all from me. Thanks for watching, folks.